Hello and welcome to this Microsoft Word tutorial hosted by Adam Pearce of Strawberry 7. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to enable hidden characters in Microsoft Word and why these might be useful for you. So let's have a look at a Word document that we've got here. And this Word document consists of a table with some various data in. We can see that there's some various things going on with this data. For example, this name here is at the top, this school name is in the middle, this day is at the top. And if we click around, we'll notice that here we can click to select areas below Monday if we wanted to type some more data in. For example, if we wanted to type in here only AM, then we could. However, if we wanted to just go below the name here and put in some data, you'll notice that we can't click as we can do over here. Why is this? Well, it's because there are carriage returns here, but there are not over here. That's quite difficult to see or to be able to tell without the hidden characters on. So let's turn them on. You can turn hidden characters on by clicking this symbol just here. When we click this symbol, you'll notice a lot of control characters appear. And these will tell us more about how this document is laid out. We can see that there is a carriage return here, which is why this is on a different line. If we select at the front of this word and click backspace, it will delete this carriage return. If we do a carriage return again by pressing enter, it will put in new carriage returns. Over here, we can see that there's also a carriage return here, indicated by this symbol, which is indicating that there is a carriage return, but it is within a table, so this is effectively the end of the data in the table. And that is why we can't select over here just by clicking. What we'd have to do is go to the end and put some more carriage returns in to be able to type in these areas in the table. Let's look at another example of how hidden control characters might be quite useful. We can see here that we have some writing and below it some more writing with a gap in between. With hidden control characters off, it would be quite easy to assume that there was a carriage return between these two blocks of text. If we went to delete the carriage return, it would take us up here. If we put the carriage return in again, this space appears. Without the hidden control characters, it can be quite frustrating thinking that there's a carriage return here. If we turn hidden control characters on, we can actually reveal that there is no carriage return in between these two blocks of text. There's a carriage return at the end here and at the end here. So why are these two blocks of text separated? Well, it's not because there's a carriage return between them. It's another reason. If we highlight this text, right-click, go to paragraph, we can see an option here that says don't add a space between paragraphs of the same style. We can tick this, click OK, and now this text will move together. It would have been difficult to have found this or found out why this was happening without having the hidden control characters on. We would recommend that if you're working in any document with a complex table, such as a planning document for your lesson, that you use hidden control characters to find odd or unusual positions of text or characters within the document. It will help diagnose what's happening in the document and help you see how the
Finally, as always, thank you for watching. That concludes this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for more videos you'd like to see, let us know. If you liked this video, please consider leaving us a like and subscribing to our channel for all the latest updates.